Hello, Tanya from myslope.com here with another drafting tutorial. So sometimes I'll have designers email me some drafting questions and then I'll create loom videos. And I was thinking the other day, I have all these very valuable loom videos hidden away. So I'm going to share a loom video that I did back in June. And yeah, it doesn't have my beautiful vase, sorry, but it does have some great information in it. It's a 5-minute quickie.
You can use the open back leotard. So you would put in all your measurements, make your pattern choices. So straight line coverage, contour coverage. You would select no gape fix, and this is where it's important in the pattern options. So you can make the neck hole a little bit bigger. I put 0, but honestly I would do like maybe a 1 or 2 centimeters here. And then your strap width, you're going to make that equal to your shoulder width because we were working like a block. So I put 12.7 for this example. And then the open back depth, I wanted to, I mean, this is not really necessary, but I did it anyway. You could just draw a line and ignore the open back. So I put that at 40 and 40 just to lower it. And then I put 0 seam allowance, and then I put 12% for my stretch ratio. So moving into the design, you can't have it completely open back because you're going to need anchor points for the piece without the cutout. So the best and most stable design. So this is the piece. I should put this in red. So this is the piece here. And then we're just doing that cutout. It looks like it's a little below the waistline. More stable would be probably a little higher. I was just eyeballing it, and I'm mirroring this cutout onto the back piece. So it's 5.05 centimeters here, for example, and then I'm putting 5.05, and then I'm matching my angle here, so the seam line is trued. So if you see here, everything is going to fit, like the line, the curve runs into itself like smoothly. So yeah, you can't have it completely open like this. The costume has no place to anchor. So these pink lines are from the bra top, and then I anchored them here and here. And then this is the side seam of your bra top, and I put 3 strappies, and I just, you could do actually what you did, the 2 across, but I divided this line into 4. So 15 centimeters for the first anchor point, 15 centimeters for the second anchor point, and 15 centimeters for the third. When you're doing your straps, I like to apply a little bit of a reduction ratio to the straps. So if my strap is 21, I'll times that by the same reduction ratio. So I'll do like 21 minus 12%. So 21 times 0.88. And then I get 18.48. And then I'll do that for each strap. So 16.6 and 17. And I just reduce it. So that way there's a bit more tension is going to sit, because you're going to have, would I? Let's see. What was happening at the sleeve cap? It's pretty fitted. I might do the sleeve with at the cap, just at the hem. I have to look at the sleeve expansion pack. I have 42 seconds. Let's do this. Drafting library, sleeves. Puff of the cap, puff of the hem. I would either do bishop sleeve or puff cap and puff hem, and then do all your other measurements. And yeah, you could use the collar tool for the collar, or just do a rectangle, because when I put 0 for the neckies, so it ended up just being a rectangle. It's not there, but anyways, let me know if this video makes sense. All right, thank you.